Alright, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Now, I want to make a quick video to kind of showcase exactly what the REMARK X FT-86 SpeedFactory quad tip titanium burnt tip catback exhaust actually sounds like with an unequal length catless header. I know that's a really big mouthful, but that's exactly what this catback is called. You guys can see here that the welds are actually pretty solid. Unfortunately, this is a single wall burnt tip titanium catback, but I want to showcase, like I said, exactly what it does look like. The tips are a little bit dirty, but because it just rained, but when they are cleaned up nice, they do look really nice. I'm going to showcase again what it looks like on this side. It fills out the diffuser really well. These are the standard 2013 to I believe the 2016 FRS diffusers for the non-TRD version. So if you guys are trying to get a quad tip catback exhaust for the FRS BRZ that does not have the TRD diffuser, these are the ones I recommend you guys going for. Now, the nice thing about these is they have a very, very nice and deep rumbling sound, especially if you guys have an unequal length header manifold. I'm gonna go ahead and start up the car right now, do a couple of revs.